Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I just got back from New York City yesterday. I did a lot of hauling, more skincare wise than makeup wise, but I thought I would share. If you're ever in Chinatown, you definitely need to go to Shanghai Dumpling. It's our favorite dumpling place. We got so much food for like $50 and that's crazy for New York City. So I definitely recommend that because this store, it's pretty famous. It's the, I'm not sure how to say the exact name, but it's oo35mm. I'm not sure if it's 35mm or what, but it's actually half a block from the dumpling place, so you definitely need to check that out. And they gave me this cute little bag for all my stuff. He has like bunny ears and it has their address and it's like reusable to give out instead of like plastic bags. And I did find out I'm a member of their online club, but the online club isn't linked to the locals club, so you don't get the same benefits. So that was kind of a waste, but I did get a free bag. And I wanted to share my haul. I'll have two videos. I went to another skincare store and a makeup store, so in the other video I'll show what I got there, but for this one I got mostly masks and some backups and other things I wanted to try. And this is the tiniest store ever. It's like smaller than the size of our bedroom, but everything is so neat on the shelves. I got some backups, a lot of masks and other things. And yeah, it's done so well. I didn't know what to expect when going in, but it's super, super neat. And the girls that work there are super sweet. And let's see, I got a Cosrx one-step original clear kit. And it comes with some pads, new cosmetic standard, and a mask. And I got the Cosrx one-step moisture up kit, and it says new cosmetic standard, and here it is. I basically got a bunch of masks to try before I buy like a multi-pack. And I got the Golden Snail Hydrogel mask pack, and it said golden snail slime extract penetrate into skin rapidly and help your skin firm, healthy, glowing complexion. And this one was $3.99. If I see the prices, I'll try to let you know. And they are, I can say they are very quick. A couple weeks ago, I ordered a bunch of stuff off of their website, and within 10 minutes, they already had it packaged up to send out in the mail the next day. So they are super quick and they have great sales. Every Monday they have a different sale on a different brand, and they have sales all the time. I get emails all the time. And yeah, that's $3.99. I got the Damask Rose Mask for $1.99 from Etude House. This is for fresh moisture. This is from Etude House. This is the Argan Nourishing and Moisturizing Mask. I got another Etude House. This is the Lemon Moisturizing and Brightening Lemon Mask. Then we have another Etude House. These are all $1.99. And this is Artismia. It's soothing and clear. And I got an aloe mask from Etude House, $1.99. And I got a collagen mask, Etude House, $1.99. And I got a pack. This is for the Etude House collagen eye patches. I've heard very good things about these, so I wanted to try those out. I've been using the Secret Key Essence, but they had a mask with it, so I wanted to try this since I'm really liking that essence. And she gave me this free sample. This is the Isntree Green Tea Toner and Emulsion. Because I bought a backup, I've really been loving this toner. The Isntree Clear Skin BHA Clear Skin Toner. And I can't really find this online anymore except for Amazon, and I'd rather buy it there than Amazon. And I've been wanting to try these so bad. This is the, I don't know how to say this brand name, Petafee gold hydrogel eye patches. This is 5 golden complex, 24 karat gold, ginseng, bird's nest, collagen, rose flower water. And I'll do a whole demo and everything when I actually use these, but everything else, I think there's 30 in here, and these were $14.99. And let's see, what else do I have? The rest are samples. And this is a Drumsimo, Yes I Am, a HA 5%. And this is from Purito, Comfy Water Sunblock. I probably won't use that, but I have a sample of that. And that is it for this section. Please let me know if you've ever been to that store in New York City or if you ever order online from them. But it's one of the top Korean skincare stores in the city, so I highly recommend that. It's really easy to get to. And I'll see you in my next video.